Marauder, your campaign starts here. Training was just a tea party. Screw up now, and you'll be bug food. It's an ugly planet down there. The troopers on the ground are rattled. They need a figurehead to stiffen their resolve. Remind them what it means to be a Starship Trooper. Your aim is to secure a supply compound 2 clicks from the drop zone. You'll be landing with the second wave of troopers. Join them, fight your way to the front, and clear the compound. Remember, the only good bug is a dead bug.
With the fleet under attack, the mobile infantry board dropships for a full-scale invasion of Hesperus. Never before in the history of the Federation has such a force of brave men and women been assembled. Our troops will hit the arachnids where it hurts and establish a bridgehead. Hesperus will be recaptured.
Got a rookie diving for cover. Aw, get up, Jonesy.
Yeah, nice of you to drop in. Scared the crap
Down
out
in
of me.
5.
That's his job.
Ready up.
These Marauders are regular death on legs.
Marauder, this is Command 1. Welcome to the first day of the rest of your war. Alpha Squad from 1st Platoon is reporting trouble ahead, and they're cut off from their main unit. Go find them. They should lead you to the compound assault group.
1st Platoon reports they're holding in Sector 7, in contact with large enemy force.
The bugs think they own history. They think they're not wrong. Who owns this?
2nd Platoon safely on the ground. This is Eagle 1. We're beginning our sweep.
Right through the nerve. No, they don't. So let's chatter and eyes open. Get back! Forget it, you're stuck here, guys. Come on, move! What do we do? What are you waiting for? Move away! Where's the damn air support?
You'll find Alpha Squad at the base of the hill.
Hey, Marauder! Oh, great to see you, Marauder. Having a little plasma trouble here. Listen up, guys. We're going up there. Stay close, and I will get you through this alive. Go where I go. Move.
Stay with that squad, Marauder. They've watched the plasma barrage long enough to see a way up the hill.
Wait for it.
Say again, where is the target?
Talk! Take your pick!
Wait
We got
for
rounds
it.
coming in all over!
I don't know what it is, but something
Now,
about
follow me. Come on.
creeps.
Hold it. Take cover. I'm sore and...
Yo,
Okay, now. Go, go, go.
Wait for me! Like hell! Move it or lose it!
Get to cover now. With me. Marauder. I hate this. This is it. Let's go. Move it, guys.
this was a bad idea.
Hold it. Take cover.
Got creeps.
Wait for it. Okay, now. Go, go, go. We're clear.
Damn! What a mess. The first wave of troopers have been through the grinder.
Stay
Stay with me. Don't you dare die.
Get to the summit. Troopers there are massing for an assault to
Fleet,
clear the
this is
compound
Eagle
on the
1.
other side.
I finished my
Make it
sweep.
happen,
I
Marauder.
picked up some activity in the compound. Am I cleared to engage?
Negative on that, Eagle Flight. Do not engage targets within the compound.
I hate bugs more than bacon.
Short dash to the target. We get in there and we give them hell. No hesitation. First squad, you'll provide a base of fire as soon as we clear the compound gate. The rest of you eight, you're on cleaning duty. Sweep the compound.
This is Eagle Flight. We're coming in low across your sector. We'll buzz the plasma batteries. Bombs away.
Okay, that's one less headache. Jensen, blow me a goddamn hole.
Charge set. Just give the word, sir.
Okay, let's do this. Blow it, Jensen.
I got a bad feeling.
I need you leading, not standing in the back stalls. Get in there.
Drive them back.
Okay, we have the entrance secured. Now, let's get this compound cleared. I hate to break up the party, Marauder. You kick a hornet's nest, you just can't walk away. Every hostile within 50 clicks is converging on your position. It's gonna get real busy in there real quick. We need the energy fences back up again, and fast. I've assigned a mech trooper to the task. Meet him at the supply bunker and help locate the power cells he needs.
On me, Lieutenant.
Keep it together. I've been assigned to help you. Just having a little trouble with the door lock here. Ah, there we go. We need fresh power cells. You go down there, check it out.
Online 4.
You've got the power cells. Now, get back to the engineer and cover him while he gets the fences online.
Oh, man. You're needed up top. Now, I'll stay here and hide. I mean, secure the bunker. Yeah, that's it.
I'm glad you're back. It's getting serious out there. You get the cells? Okay. Each building has an emergency power point linked to a fence. I prep the socket, and you slap in a cell. If you do this right, you should get a nice, light...
Follow his lead and keep the bugs off his back. If he fails to get the fences online, this mission will head south in a big way. Get after him.
There are 3 to do. Come on, I'll show you. Pick up a dirty piece. It's not tricky, so watch my 6. Okay, that goes there. No, there. Okay. Reset that. Redirect that to... Okay. Okay. Moment of truth. Insert the cell. Yes! That's the first fence up. Okay, next one. Follow me. I'll do this for you. Nearly there, just a little longer. Thanks. Belt there. Ready. Do it now. Another fire. I'm a professional. What the? Contact system administrator? Son of a bitch! Are they close? They sound close. Are you still there? It's ready. Do it now. That's all of them. We did it.
Mission accomplished. We have our foothold on the planet. Now we can bring down the boot and stamp hard. Here's your ride. You don't have time to stand around basking in the glow of victory. The meter's always running, soldier.
Hey, Big M. Busy morning ahead. We'll skip breakfast and coffee and get straight to it. Climb aboard.
That was one hell of a fight for a first mission, Marauder. PsyOps underrated bug strength at the compound. Seems like they were ready and waiting. Go get some shut-eye. You'll need to be sharp for your next assignment.